Elephants. Picture this, 55 to 34 million years ago. But there weren't any birds.
It was starting to warm up, like really warm up. Not your usual warm time fun like when you go to the pool with your friends during the summer to get a nice...
Basically, there was a bunch of volcanic eruptions which made the climate a lot hotter. And then this thing showed up.
The Neritherium.
They have short, strong legs, a relatively long body, and a short tail. Then they started to form tusks to fend off from predators. 40 to 25 million years ago.
The Paleomastodon. They had 2 sets of tusks that they used to scoop up plants.
The Tetrabelodon, aka Big Chomp. It lived 20 million years ago.
Big Chomp has 2 sets of long defined tusks used to skew prey and keep away predators.
Next is the mastodon, not mammoths. Those are completely different things. Mastodons primarily lived in North and Central America, but eventually spread all over the world, minus Australia and Antarctica.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Mastodons also lived in swamps. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. You know them, you love them. Modern elephants. Elephants are the largest land animal, and that's great because then there's more to love. Elephants are beautiful creatures. We see them everywhere. Zoos, circuses, cartoons, politics, you name it. Elephants are great. Sadly, the elephants we know and love are being killed for their tusks, and they're starting to evolve to not grow them. But let's look on the bright side instead. Elephant brains react to humans the same way human brains react to puppies. They think we're cute. In conclusion, love your elephant ancestors and your modern elephants. This has been the evolution of elephants.